All right, now a word about your pH level of your hair. It is vitally important that we keep this delicate balance of a very slightly acidic hair is what you want, between 4.5 and 5.5. Now remember the pH scale, the 0, it goes from 0 to 14, 7 is neutral, 0 is acidic, 14 is the most alkaline. Most acidic, 0, most alkaline. So the problem is we need this delicate balance because it is incredibly important for the health of your hair. And we're going to look into this. Now, but what happens is very often our hair will go to a more alkaline state. Now this could be from your coloring, from your bleaching, from even your shampoos, because many of these products have alkaline cleansing agents within them, and it will set your hair into a more alkaline state. Okay, so what happens when you have a more alkaline hair? Well, it's no longer your healthy hair that you want. It's going to inhibit growth, healthy growth. Your hair is going to be drier, more brittle, because it's too alkaline. Okay, when you have it that delicate balance between 4.5 and 5.5, then your hairs, the strands that lock in the cuticles, which helps lock in moisture, your natural oils in your hair. Without that, when it becomes too alkaline, you get more bacterial, or potentially more bacterial growth and more fungal growth, so dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis. Your hair will be less glossy because it's not locked in that moisture and that shine in the body's or the hair, the natural oils. Remember, it's from the roots where this comes from. So we need to have your scalp cleansed so you have glossy, shiny hair when you have that correct pH. It is vitally important. So that's what why it's so important for you to have it. Having that acidic balance, that 4.5 to 5.5 will make you have the healthiest possible hair, because we're not only cleansing it, but now it's locking in that moisture. All those nutrients are getting locked in and it can stay there. So it will be more voluptuous, a better body, all of the things that you want, more shine, more sheen, stronger hairs, less breakages, less frizz, less dry split ends, all of these things that have come from that when we get the pH balance in our hair correct.